taking special permission and special permission to Saturday and Sunday. So they are only casting on the Sunday evening and Monday.
Okay, other than what
They are
we
not allowed to do other weekends. So weekend just they are like, they are now asking for special permission from the traffic department. But please allow on the daily time this month to move on. And coming from Gustafar to site, which is only maybe 10-15 kilometers.
since
This is from Gayatri to that area. We are bringing
How much kilometers?
Huh?
How many kilometers?
maximum around 20.
20 kilometers, right? 20 kilometers. Out of 20, your 5 to 7 is within CISPA, 5 kilometers. Out, but other 15 kilometers is outside CISPA, which is
So,
governed by
no.
transport department.
what I suggest is take it positive. So he has highlighted his concern. What is he has learned?
Yeah, this has to be verified, and if there is any
Let us-
requirement like that, we have to fulfill.
Let us
There
take
should be something, some approval has to be there from this traffic
Municipality.
department.
Yeah, yeah.
Today you are doing and you are going to be noticing.
yeah. Let us
We will check with your equipment or transportation department
I'll-
and let them confirm it. It is in
ITC
place or
approval
not.
is obtained, ITC will be obtained because you are moving so many trucks on the road. So who is your interface or person who will be your government, what we call relationship manager, they have to go to the ITC and get approval. Tomorrow it should not happen
So-
that your project is on hold because of this and you take months.
Yeah,
to
let
get
us
approval
take-
Because you violated.
let us take this action as a remedial measure. If this is applicable, explore the requirement for approval for the truck movement from the authority,
Really ITC or approval, you put approval.
from the authority, from the relevant
Outside I can say, and within I can say there is no problem. That you are allowed to because you are getting access.
outside.